Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to create a Netflix account from your iPhone. So let's start. First, open a browser. Now go to netflix.com. First you have to enter your email address. Now tap on Get Started. Now tap on Continue. Now add a password. Then tap on Continue again. Now tap on See the plans. Now select a plan which is best suited for you. Then tap on Continue. Now set up your payment method and your account will be created. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.